and now it's February.
That's crazy.
Come on, Drew.
So, but you know, it should be really interesting today, guys, because in addition to it being winter time, it's also a lot warmer than most winters. And I was up on Schooner Creek with Robert's class last week, and we were looking at the water temperatures in the top, and it was 12 degrees Celsius. Does anybody remember what the water temperature was like in Drift Creek when we were there last?
30 something.
It was cold. It was actually 5.6 degrees Celsius.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna have our old results and be kind of going back and forth with you guys to kind of show you what it might be, what might be changing, and have you guys kind of take some guesses at what things are like right now, given what's happened over the past 3 months. Because this is a very unseasonable winter. So we're gonna try and the data that we collect today is gonna be really good. Also because our water quality coordinator sent in their testing equipment to DEQ last week, so they actually don't have the equipment to go out this week. So the water quality results that we collect are going to be helpful for actually supplementing the volunteers' data. And we have one of our water quality volunteers who actually is a former teacher from Taft, Brian Flynn.
Yes.
He is going to meet us at Crowley Creek. So we're going to be going out, and he'll tell us a little bit about what he does every other week for the past several years he's been doing. So you guys will get, and we're going to take a trip up to the water quality treatment plant where you guys can see where our water source comes from and understand a little bit more about the process that goes through and some of the things that they look at up there that we're going to be looking at for our water quality down in the lower half of the watershed. But we're going to get a grand tour of that whole establishment. So
Nice.
I'm pretty excited. How about you? You excited, Bruce?
Get it on us, would you?
Okay, well, my point to everybody that's not here is in 20 years you're not going to remember one day that you spent in school, but you will remember the water quality field trip to the water treatment plant. Guaranteed, in 20 years you'll still remember this. Right. So it's worth doing.
And it's really important, like I was talking with Lonnie, the guy who runs the water quality treatment plant, and he was saying that, they're really falling short of with their ability to bring in good applicants for jobs they have up there, and they're really struggling to find people who have the background and the knowledge to go into a position working at a water quality treatment facility. So, you guys can take a look at what goes into that job as being a water quality engineer, and think about maybe that might be something for you, because it's a good job. It's a job that, ultimately how well you do at it helps everyone and the entire city's water quality. So, that's something that I just want to point out to you guys, that there's, positions that are right up the hillside that, we can get you guys vetted and understanding how to do, so that,
Vetted, that's a good word.
Yeah,
Vetted.
privy to.
Yes, and the way people get jobs, networking. It's not how good your resume is, it's who knows you. Are you going to get to know people that can help you today? Mm-hmm. Yes, you are. So put your best foot forward, let them know you're a serious student and you might want a job like this, and they'll call you back up. Or if they don't call you back up and you apply, they say, oh, I know that guy or that gal, she was out here for the... and then you're in.
And that's the thing is, my job, deals with salmon and water quality and plants. However, 90% of it all is dealing with people, because we're all here. Even though I'm talking about these things, I'm trying to connect with you guys so that you feel like this is valuable experience and feel like this is worth your time, because there's a lot of other things I could be doing, but I think this is more important, that I'm down here talking to you guys and taking you out and seeing what wonderful resources we have here and what things can get you that extra leg up in the world. So with that, we're gonna head on out and
hit them up. Move them out. You're in here with us. You're taking off in your own.
Oh, okay. Thank you.